Hello, welcome back to my channel. Just a few minutes with the air fryer, and you'll have golden, crispy baked potatoes with an irresistible aroma. Let's dive in and discover how. Clean and prepare the potatoes, then slice them into pieces just like in the video. 200 milliliters of water. Put the potatoes into a bowl. Make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any steps. White salt. Make sure to watch until the end of the video so you don't miss any steps. Soak for 5 minutes to remove the starch. Dry the potatoes with a towel. I've added subtitles in multiple languages, so feel free to choose your preferred language. Leave a comment below and let me know which country you're watching from. It's truly amazing that we can connect and share with each other from all around the world. Season the potatoes with salt. White salt. Black pepper. Chili powder. 1 tablespoon of butter. 2 tablespoons of potato starch. You can also add other ingredients. Let me know what you would add. Breadcrumbs. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we can connect from all around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Olive oil. Place the potatoes in the air fryer without overlapping so they cook evenly. Breadcrumbs. Olive oil. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. 3 tablespoons of yogurt. White salt. Black pepper. 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. A bunch of dill. Mix the sauce well. Halfway through the baking time, take it out and flip it to the other side. Oh, it smells so good and looks delicious. Would you like to try a piece right now? If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, subscribe to my channel and share to support me. Thank you for watching.